Meine Damen und meine Herren, Assalamu alaikum and guten Morgen. Thank you, Foreign Minister of our friendly country, Switzerland, and your delegation. It's really a great pleasure to welcome you here in this beautiful environment of Nathia Gali. And we had a very productive and a very fruitful discussion this morning. And we have just signed memorandum of understanding on disaster management, which would promote a cooperation between the two countries, how to use modern technique and technologies to counter such disasters in future jointly. And as I discussed with you, along with my colleagues, that we would be looking forward to having cooperation from Switzerland in terms of getting system, advanced warning system, very advanced in technology, and other facets which really would secure Pakistan as much as possible from natural disasters out of climate change, where we have no contribution at all. We are not at fault at all. Secondly, I think we had again very good discussion on how to promote tourism between the two countries. We have beautiful mountains. One is in front of us, is pristine beauty. We certainly lack in infrastructure and other facets which will promote tourism in Pakistan in a big way. I look forward to working with you and your government closely on this count as well. Also in the field of education and other areas. Thank you very much for your visit. Thank you, members of the delegation. You took time to visit Pakistan after a long while. And I'm very grateful that you mentioned about how important it is to maintain peace in this part of the world. And I was greatly encouraged by your statement that Switzerland would play friendly role and a role of as a catalyst to promote peaceful discussions. I would like to encourage you that please play a very proactive role, because Pakistan would like to live in peace in this region. Pakistan would like to promote prosperity, progress. Pakistan would like to invest in its population, alleviating unemployment and promoting industry, agriculture, empowering our youth, our female population, schools, universities, medical centers, research centers. It's an agrarian economy, promote agriculture, IT. We have a youth pulse which can be so profitable and so useful, not only for the well-being of Pakistan, but interacting globally. All these areas are very important for us. But the other side should also have honest introspection. It takes two to tango. So I think we cannot afford tension in this area. We cannot afford to waste our resources on fighting wars as they have not been of any help in the past. So I think we must absolutely, we are convinced that we should commit our resources in investing in the well-being of Pakistan. And of course, the leadership on the other side should also feel the same way. But to have lasting peace in this part of the world, we must understand clearly, without any kind of confusion, that for that we must resolve our issues, including Kashmir. Without that, we won't have peace in this part of the world. Thank you very much again. Thank you for your visit. And as a Zia showed my Indian, wunderbar. Welcome, Sie.